Understanding the saxophone reed. An essential component. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the meaning of saxophone reed. This is a crucial term for anyone interested in music, especially those learning to play the saxophone. Understanding what a reed is and its role in producing music will greatly enhance your appreciation of this wonderful instrument. A saxophone reed is a thin, flat piece of material, typically made from cane, which vibrates to produce sound in a saxophone. It's attached to the mouthpiece and is an essential part of the instrument. Without the reed, a saxophone cannot produce sound. The reed's vibration creates the saxophone's unique sound as air is blown through the mouthpiece. Saxophone reeds come in various strengths and sizes, each affecting the sound and playability of the instrument. The strength of a reed is often referred to as its hardness. Softer reeds are easier to play and are suitable for beginners, while harder reeds offer more resistance and are preferred by experienced players for their richer tone. Choosing the right reed is crucial. It influences not just the sound quality, but also the ease of playing. Beginners should start with a softer reed to build up their embouchure. That's the way you shape your mouth and lips to play wind instruments. As you progress, you can experiment with different reed strengths to find what suits your playing style and the music genre you're interested in. Reeds are delicate and require proper care. They should be stored in a reed case to prevent warping and damage. It's also important to moisten the reed before playing to ensure it vibrates properly. Remember, a well-maintained reed will provide a better sound and last longer. I hope this video has helped you understand the importance of the saxophone reed and how it impacts the playing experience. Remember, the right reed can make a significant difference in your saxophone journey. Happy playing, and see you in the next video.